How to turn on microphone on iPhone. So first, just open up your settings, then just scroll down till you see privacy and security right here. Then go to microphone, and sometimes when you use the mics in your apps, if it doesn't work, this might be the fix to it, or if it prompts you to open it in the settings, this will do it, or this will make it work. So as you can see, I have mine turned all off. So if I just want to turn on, just tap on the switch button right here to simply turn on the microphone for that particular app. But of course, you can turn off on each individual app. So let's say I just want to use my microphone for Messenger. I'll just turn everything off except for the Messenger. But that's pretty basically on how to use or enable your microphone on iPhone.